Hi guys, it's Ralph with Stray Benzes. Today I'm trying to address a very frequent question about the viscous clutch on fans on any of the old Benzes of the 80s. 5-cylinder, 6-cylinder, the V8s, doesn't really matter. Because very often you can't tell if that thing is functioning properly. Here's how you tell if it does work right. With the engine stone cold, one thing should happen. Here's the viscous clutch, here's the fan. This fan should not be all that easy to turn. And when you really shove it, it should almost immediately come to a stop. You should feel some resistance here. But that's not the only thing. There's also something that happens when the engine is stone cold, and also when you have been tooling around the highway or town. You let the darn thing sit for a little bit. It always does this, and if it doesn't, then you know it's bad, and that is, it should ramp up and make a howling sound for 5 to 10 seconds at speed before it finally just lets go, and until it gets hot again and re-engages. I'll show you what I mean. Giving a little bit of gas, it should ramp up in speed. Did you see that? That is what is supposed to happen. Upon startup, it should ramp up with the engine speed. And if the engine is still, and the cooling water is still cool enough, it should just then let go. That is normal. Only when it's hot again, too hot, then it re-engages. That's how you tell. If you enjoyed another small little tidbit of DIY information about your old Benzes, enjoy, happy wrenching, and until next time, bye-bye.